Welcome to this exquisite Sherwood home, situated in a peaceful setting on more than 3 acres. Enjoy breathtaking 5 mountain views and surrounding vineyards. It's a perfect hobby farm with a large barn including 4 stalls and a tack room, a separate shop, and a 1/4-acre vineyard. And there's plenty of room to entertain on the huge deck, patio, and in-ground pool. A charming gated courtyard welcomes you home. Gleaming hardwoods lead to the spacious living room with a wet bar and a wood-burning fireplace. It opens to the custom hardwood deck with gorgeous mountain views. The gourmet kitchen features a top-of-the-line wolf range, a huge island with a prep sink, and an open concept for easy conversation. The formal dining room connects to the cozy library, all with abundant natural light. The privately located main-level master suite has its own mountain views and a spa-like bath with fine finishes and a custom handcrafted walk-in closet. Heading downstairs, you're greeted with a large family room with an impressive wood fireplace and a second kitchen. This home of nearly 6,000 square feet has plenty of space with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, plus a bonus room. It's ideal for multi-generational housing or as a live-in caretaker quarters. French doors lead to your outdoor retreat, where it's easy to connect with nature or enjoy family fun in the pool and on the expansive grounds. The shop includes a concrete floor and electricity. Experience the best in country living, yet with close-in convenience. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Jeffry Wiren with Premier Property Group at 503-869-3513.